is Sylvain. I'm a product manager at Kairos. Kairos is a small startup here in Paris that uses the latest technology like machine learning and satellite imagery to give brand new insights on the energy markets. My daily job consists in coordinating a team of data scientists, engineers, researchers to use this technology in an applied way for the energy and especially the oil and gas industry. I did my undergrad in École Polytechnique in France. I try to always keep two majors, engineering and economics. And in PM, I really found this way of learning by looking at the whole spectrum and both very technical and more economical aspects of the industry. It's quite funny actually because I wanted to do economics, and I think because of the way the program is taught, I realized that I was more interested into the engineering. So just after the program, I was hired by a Russian major called Lukoil to work on the development of their giant field in Iraq. So I did that for around 3 years as a reservoir engineer. And then I joined a team in Houston for the same company, Lukoil, that was working in the development of unconventional assets. So unconventional, we mean shale oil and shale gas, both in the US and in Mexico, where I learned a lot of things. And I had the opportunity to join Kairos, the startup where I work today in Paris, in January 2017. And when I saw the project, the choice was clear for me. In PEM, you see a whole spectrum of things, which gives you a very deep understanding of the different angles on which issues are tackled within the industry. What I would like to say is that, especially today at Kairos, what I learned at PEM is key, because on a daily basis I am dealing with production, exploration data, but also midstream data, trading data, and I deal with traders who are our clients on a daily basis. And I have a deep understanding of all these topics thanks to PEM, and I see that really makes a difference. I believe it was the people, so the other students, because we were a real group, and I don't see it as a network today. It is more of a group of friends, and wherever I go, I always have an alumni of the PEM program in the world. There is somewhere, and whenever we meet, we remember the good times we had at PEM and all the things we learned, and well, that will keep on going in the future. As society as a whole, it is changing very fast, and what I see, especially at Kairos, is that it is becoming a data-driven industry more and more, and there are opportunities both for companies, players, and just professionals by applying the latest knowledge in data science to create value. The first thing is probably to not be afraid of the future. There will always be opportunities for people who are dedicated and excellent at what they do. And the other thing, I think it's more related to PEM, it's never stop learning. Whether you're at PEM or before or after, this is key to developing things and being successful in some way.